Guys, I have a dishwasher that is made by Bosch. That you can see this display is kind of blinking here, but it does not want to start. So if I hit the start button, it does not want to start. When I close the door, the display turns off. If you have the same issue, then maybe this video is going to be for you. I'm not sure if I could solve this issue, but maybe I could actually give you some of the little insight as to what's going on. As you can see that I actually have pulled the latch off, and I thought this latch was actually part of the issue. I pulled it off so it's going to be kind of like easy to see, and plus I wanted to inspect it and see like what's going on with the latch. Possibly it's something wrong with it. Now I did notice when you actually close it, you see this perfectly shaped little plastic piece kind of goes in there like that. I think it's plastic. It feels like it's plastic, but it goes into this shaped piece over here, and it kind of like bends. I think it kind of like it bends somehow. I cannot really simulate it. Like it's kind of strong right now. So I thought because it's not latching, then this dishwasher is not starting, and maybe this is the issue. Now to pull it out, I had to bend these tabs to release the plastic piece, and I actually bent this piece to actually release it. But let me show you, once I actually install it in the place, you can see how it like disconnected, and here's why. This magnet here, it is a magnet, it is square, and once you actually get it in contact, there it goes, it turns off. Now if you guys know what the issue is with that, like why would this happen, do let me know please. But I will be looking for an issue and the solution to this, because I actually kind of need to fix it. So once I pull it away, once I pull the magnet away, as you can see, and it's trying to get latched. Okay, that plastic piece is kind of like getting stuck over there. But yeah, very difficult to work with just a single hand. But anyways, you could see once the magnet becomes in contact, that's it. Like that's the problem. Once you actually get it away, it releases itself. So I really don't know how this latch could have anything to do with it, unless it has some kind of like metal that this detects. But I also have kind of like a little magnet here, and it does not react to that or to this piece, even though it's a neodymium magnet. And this is probably because it's non-contact. I can't really get it to, you know, for it to contact on there. Possibly if it was a smaller magnet, I could do that. I also could tell there's a red light at the corner to the bottom of the dishwasher. It is on. Even when this light turns off, that light is on. So really don't know what's going on there. But once you pull this door away, you know, and then try to close it with the latch being in there, this display just shuts off. There is a way to reset it. You could actually hit reset for 3 seconds, and it should reset it. So I kind of have the hand there on the on button. As you can see, it reset. Supposedly you could wait a minute and things will keep going, but I already done this a few times, and every time I do it, nothing happens. It does not start for me. And then once you actually apply the magnet back to its place, let's reapply it. Same digits will actually come back. I do kind of wonder, however. Okay, I think I actually kind of found a little thing. I want to try something. I believe that at the bottom here, it actually touches, you know, the metal, and that's actually what causes it to turn off. You see, I'm gonna just turn the Bosch washer off, turn it back on. We have the 225. Yes, once I apply the magnet to the actual door, that's what happens. It shuts off. So I don't know if there's a bad ground somewhere or what, why why this happens, because obviously magnet should send some kind of signal that okay, it is closed, go ahead and start operating, but it's not operating for some reason. So I kind of wonder what this is. If you guys know what it is, please let me know. If I find out, stay tuned for more of my videos. I will let you guys know. Okay guys, I did reinstall the connector. As you can see, I just bent this pins back, and I bended this piece back. And now, here's what it does. You close it, it turns off. My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have sprint or expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.